This is the Kreg Jig K4. It's a pocket hole joinery tool which is ideal for joining two wooden surfaces together, whether it's end to end or end to face. It works as a diagonal joint and acts as a clamp holding those two pieces of timber together. It comes with a portable base which can be used on large projects as well as out in the field. The main guide is ideal for repair work on wooden furniture. The K4 Kreg Jig is adjustable to all timber sizes, as you can see on the side. This tool is ideal for shelving, cabinets, cupboards, bookshelves and any timber joining projects. The pocket hole tool makes a pocket into the timber with a diagonal joint between the two mating surfaces. The screw pulls in the timber from the other side tight to make a secure, strong joint. The screws act as a clamping action between two mating surfaces, so you don't need to wait for the wood glue to dry before removing any clamps. There are also plugs available to plug the pocket holes. If this product information was useful, like it, share it, and you can subscribe to our channel.